Hello friends, welcome back to Kid Zone with Trishy. That's me. When do we usually see pumpkins out? On Halloween. Can you say Halloween? Halloween. Halloween is a fun time. It could be a little scary because you see scary costumes, but they're only pretend. They're not real. It's just somebody dressed up in a costume. All right, friends, take out your bucket or your pretend bucket. You could pretend you have one ready, and your pretend spatula. Stirring and stirring and stirring the brew. Tiptoe, tiptoe, boo! Ooh, you scared me. Again. Stirring and stirring and stirring the brew. Tiptoe, 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 boo! That was fun. Pumpkin, pumpkin shape, pumpkin, pumpkin. Bat, bat, bat. Bat. Which one is this one, my friends? Yes, it's a ghost shape. Ghost. Boo, boo, boo. Meow, meow. Yes, it's a cat shape. Cat. A cat. Kitty cat. Meow. 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 Another bat. Another cat. Cat. Boo, ba, la, la, la. On Halloween, the cow says boo. She likes that word. It's something new. Boo, she calls into the night. Ba, says someone out of sight. Who might it be that answered me? Pig, duck, chicken, sheep. Again, she calls into the air. Boo. Again, a ba from who knows where. Now all around, more voices rise, and sound on sound fills up the skies, then fades. On Halloween, the cow climbs high by pumpkin glow and moonlit sky. She stands atop the tallest hill. She calls out, boo! Then all is still. And suddenly comes one long boo. That's Happy Halloween to you. La la la, the end. Can you see what I have on my shirt? Can you see? What is that? Is that a pumpkin? Can you say pumpkin? Yeah, good job, pumpkin. But this pumpkin has a face on it. So when we carve a pumpkin and we make a face on the pumpkin, it's called a jack-o'-lantern. A jack-o'-lantern. Can you say jack-o'-lantern? I don't know why it's called a jack-o'-lantern, but it's a funny name. Jack-o'-lantern is what you call a pumpkin when you carve it and make a face on it. There's so many kinds of pumpkins. There's small pumpkins and large pumpkins. There's orange pumpkins, like this one is orange. There are white pumpkins. There's pumpkins that are a little bit orange and white, brown. Some are a little bit of green, all different kind of colors. What's your favorite kind of pumpkin? What's your favorite color for a pumpkin? Yeah, that's a good color. We could open up the pumpkin. We could take all the stuff that's out of the pumpkin. We could take all the seeds. They're called pumpkin seeds. You take them all out. You could roast them in the oven, have mommy or daddy, an adult, roast them for you, and then you could eat pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are yummy. You have to be very careful though. You have to take the skin off, peel them, and then you eat the inside of the pumpkin seed. It's so delicious. When you go inside the pumpkin, it feels gooey and ooey. Gooey and ooey inside, doesn't it? If you ever try it, it's ooey and gooey inside. It is. It's so much fun to carve a pumpkin. You have to be very careful though. And then you make a face on it, or you could paint your pumpkin with a face on it. Use paints. Have you ever carved a pumpkin? You have, with the help of an adult like mommy or daddy or auntie or grandma or grandpa? Okay, I've carved many, many pumpkins. You go trick or treating with mommy or daddy or both with adults. And then you go trick-or-treating to your friend's house. You go trick-or-treating to auntie's house, to grandma's house, and they give you a treat. It could be a candy treat, or it could be a toy treat, like little toys, or a book, something special for you to have. Just remember, always go trick-or-treating with an adult to be safe. And when you get back home, have an adult like mommy or daddy check all your treats to make sure they're safe for you. Do you dress up for Halloween? You do? What are you going to dress up as this year for Halloween? You are? That's a fun costume. It's gonna be so much fun. And then what do you do after you dress up for Halloween? We go and get some treats. Sometimes you get treats like candy or treats, or you could get little snacks, or some little toys, little tiny toys like little play rings, little cars, all those good little things. Some children go trick-or-treating at a store, like at a mall. You could do that also. What's your favorite part about going trick-or-treating? It is, my favorite part is when I see all the costumes, everybody dressed up in their costumes. It's so much fun.